Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop notification pop-ups in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, let's just search for settings. After going to the settings, you need to tap on the system option, and from here you will see option called notification. You need to go to the notification option, and from here you need to scroll it down until you find additional settings. You need to tap on that and you need to uncheck all of this to avoid the notification of Windows and many more things. The second one, if you want to hide all the notification, like any kind of notification, any kind of sound, then you need to turn this off. So if you turn this off, any kind of notification will not be shown. So let's just turn it on again. And if you want to specifically turn off any of the applications notification, then here you can see lots of application available here. You can also turn it off, like I want to turn the Google Chrome notification, then I will toggle it, turn this off like that. This is the way you can turn off the notification of the browsers individually or application individually. So that's how you can stop notification pop-ups in Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.